Good morning, it's Monday morning. I'm going to try to splice together just some of the little footage I took this morning of the snow and everything that's going on. We did not have this predicted for this morning. Now, it's not like this everywhere, okay, where I live. It's mainly just the top portion of the state, right? The northern part of the state. That's what's crazy. Ugh. I'm just looking outside to see what Simba's doing. He's staying out there in it like, like it's summertime. But yeah, I'm going to put together some clips this morning of me just messing around. Yeah, they told me this morning not to come into work. I didn't sleep all night last night waiting. Just, how you don't want to miss getting up or whatever. That was me last night. So here I sit. I'm up. I got the kerosene heater rolling in the living room now because it's like 12 degrees or something, 14 degrees here. It's cold. It's snowing like crazy. How long will this last? I don't know. But hey, hope y'all enjoy the clips. Y'all stay safe. Front side of the house this morning. See it? Yeah, it's snowing real good. I know. It's hard to shoot through the window, but you can see in the trees back there, that's a better shot. Yeah, it's coming down. Yeah, not predicted. We'll see how much we get. I mean, it's a dusting. Nothing major to brag about, but still, snowing here. The cold weather was predicted, but the snow was not. So, that's what we have. Yep, that's what we have. Look at this snow. And no, it was not predicted for this area. But you can see it this morning. I'm going to try to put some clips together. Hopefully, you guys can see it. I don't know. I'm just trying to shoot through the window. Yeah. I'm just going to try to put together a few little clips I made this morning just to give you an idea of what we got here. In my neck of the woods, it's like 12 degrees. I have the kerosene heater already fired up this morning. Hey, leave me in the comments, what are you seeing in your area? Wherever you're watching this video this morning. What are you seeing? Is it snowing? Do you have power? You go through that ice storm? Let me know in the comments. Let's look at the other side of the house real fast. Oh, there's my, look at there. See Bigfoot? He's always standing watch. Always. I'm not sure how well, Miss Kennedy, you can see the snow, but it's coming down good here. You can see my truck, everything. But yep. Let me show you girls some more beautiful snow footage. Check it out. Check it out. It's still snowing. You just can't see it through my phone. Gonna roll some more of this beautiful bean footage for y'all. See that snow? I don't know how well you can see it on the phone though. But anywho, that's what it looks like here on the state line. Let me show y'all what it looks like here at my house. Yep. I don't know how well you can see it. See that snow falling? It's happening right now. Yep. 15 degrees up here. It's cold. Anyway, I thought you southern people might like to look at that. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but it is snowing here right now. Very fine snow, but it is snowing. Very fine, but it is snowing. As you can see. Yeah. It's cold. It's hard to get a good shot of it. The camera's not wanting to focus very well. But there you are. It's snowing.